Hey there! Ever wondered how you can naturally whiten your teeth without harming them? If you've been frustrated by those whitening products that promise the world but leave your teeth and gums in worse shape, stick around. I'm about to reveal the secrets to a brighter, healthier smile using methods that are safe and effective. In this video, I will explore the world of natural teeth whitening. You'll learn how to achieve that dazzling smile without the damaging effects of commercial whitening products. From personal stories to expert advice, you won't want to miss a single minute. So let's get started. Let's face it, the shelves are packed with whitening products, each claiming to be the best. But did you know many of these can actually damage your teeth and gums? The harsh chemicals can erode enamel, leading to sensitivity and even gum recession. I've heard countless stories of people experiencing severe tooth sensitivity and discomfort after using commercial whitening products. By switching to natural methods, you can achieve a bright smile without the risk of damaging your oral health. Commercial whitening products often rely on abrasive chemicals. Early whitening toothpastes were especially notorious for this. While they might remove surface stains, they can also wear down your enamel. And it's not just toothpaste. Those popular white strips are highly acidic, sometimes close to battery acid levels. They strip away your enamel, leaving your teeth vulnerable to damage and decay. According to dental experts, the long-term use of these products can lead to significant oral health issues. Studies have shown that frequent use of commercial whitening products can increase the risk of tooth sensitivity and gum irritation. Experts recommend opting for natural whitening methods and consulting with your dentist for safer alternatives. Stick around to find out about real-life transformations highlighting the effectiveness of natural whitening methods. I know that you find this video informative so far and will continue to find the rest of this video informational and very educational. So go ahead and give me some support. This is simple, easy and free of cost, but significantly very important. It will only take a few seconds of your time, and like I mentioned before, it will cost you nothing. But will help to grow my channel and also enable me to spread more valuable, needed information like this. Now, click on that thumbs up button. It's a simple act, but the impact can be massive. Imagine that simple click as a ripple in a pond, extending outwards to touch and influence others to become more conscious about becoming more informed about their health and well-being. It also helps to spread much-needed important information to a wider audience, which can potentially make a change in someone's life. So go ahead. Show your appreciation for these types of informative videos. Click that thumbs up button to potentially make a change. Now, to ensure that you don't miss out on any more valuable content, click the subscribe button and the notification bell that is beside it, then select all to gain access to all the other videos on my channel and to stay up to date with any new ones that gets posted. Most importantly, subscribing is absolutely free. My channel isn't just about sharing, it's about building a community of knowledge seekers who understand the importance of staying informed and updated when it comes to a healthy lifestyle. So what's the alternative? Natural whitening methods are not only safer, but also more effective in the long run. Enamel, the outer layer of your teeth, is actually clear and relies on the health of your dentin for its color. By strengthening your enamel and keeping it healthy, you can naturally enhance the whiteness of your teeth. Using natural ingredients like baking soda, coconut oil and hydrogen peroxide can help maintain your enamel's integrity. Many users have reported significant improvements in their teeth's whiteness without any sensitivity issues. I've been using natural methods for a year now, and my teeth have never looked better, says one satisfied user. Another user shares, "I love how gentle and effective these natural methods are. No more harsh chemicals for me." The key to whiter teeth lies in remineralization. Your saliva plays a crucial role in this process. It's all about balance, eating and drinking at set times rather than continuously sipping throughout the day. By allowing your saliva to naturally remineralize your teeth, you create a stronger, shinier surface that reflects light better, making your teeth appear whiter. Incorporating foods rich in calcium and phosphorus, like dairy products and leafy greens, can further support the remineralization process. Don't forget about vitamin D, which helps your body absorb calcium. Get it from sunlight or supplements. Reducing your intake of sugary foods and opting for healthier snacks can also make a big difference in maintaining strong, healthy teeth. Here are some secrets to natural whitening. Eat your meals at set times and avoid snacking or sipping drinks constantly. This gives your saliva the chance to work its magic. Chewing xylitol gum or mints can stimulate saliva production, which helps in strengthening your enamel. Try ending your meals with xylitol mints to enhance this effect. Use mouth rinses that support the natural biofilm in your mouth, promoting healthy bacteria that protect your teeth and gums. Brushing with baking soda can help remove surface stains. Swishing coconut oil in your mouth for 10 to 15 minutes can reduce plaque and whiten teeth. Drinking staining beverages like coffee or tea through a straw can minimize contact with your teeth. Eating apples, carrots, and celery can naturally clean your teeth and remove stains. Did you know that lighting affects how we perceive the whiteness of our teeth? Under artificial light, teeth often appear yellowish, but in natural sunlight they look much whiter. Next time you're doubting your smile, step outside and see the difference for yourself. Adjusting your indoor lighting can also help. Use daylight bulbs for a more natural look. Ring lights are great for selfies and can make your teeth appear whiter. Experiment with different lighting setups to find what works best for you. Remember, lighting can make a big difference in how your smile is perceived. Your saliva's pH can vary greatly depending on various factors like diet, stress, and even pregnancy. Maintaining a balanced pH is crucial for oral health. Using products like xylitol mints or gum can increase the pH, making your saliva more alkaline and better at remineralizing your teeth. This helps to protect against cavities and strengthen enamel. You can even test this at home with pH strips. Regularly monitoring your saliva's pH can help you make informed decisions about your diet and oral care routine. Staying hydrated and consuming a diet rich in fruits and vegetables can also support healthy saliva production. Healthy biofilm in your mouth is essential for preventing plaque and maintaining tooth strength. By using the right mouth rinses and xylitol products, you can nurture this biofilm, leading to smoother, shinier, and whiter teeth. Xylitol, a natural sugar alcohol, helps to reduce harmful bacteria and promote the growth of beneficial bacteria in your mouth. This balance is crucial for a healthy biofilm. Regular brushing with fluoride toothpaste also supports biofilm health by removing food particles and preventing the buildup of harmful bacteria. Flossing daily is another key practice, as it helps to clean between teeth where a toothbrush can't reach, ensuring a balanced and healthy biofilm. By maintaining a healthy biofilm, you not only protect your teeth from decay, but also enhance their natural whiteness and shine, contributing to long-term oral health. There is a testimonial from a 70-year-old gentleman about how, after using a natural oral care system for 10 years, his teeth were not only whiter, but also significantly healthier. His story is a testament to the power of natural whitening methods. He started with stained and yellowed teeth, but through consistent use of natural products, he achieved a bright, white smile. His gums also became healthier, reducing inflammation and bleeding. Another success story is from a young woman who struggled with coffee stains. She switched to a natural whitening routine, and within months, her teeth were visibly whiter and stronger. A middle-aged man who was a heavy smoker saw remarkable results after a year of using natural methods. His teeth were not only whiter but also less sensitive. These real-life transformations highlight the effectiveness of natural whitening methods. They not only improve the appearance of your teeth but also contribute to overall oral health. So, the best way to whiten your teeth without causing harm. By focusing on natural methods and supporting your teeth's health, you can achieve a brighter, whiter smile that lasts a lifetime. Remember, a healthy smile is a beautiful smile. Take care of your teeth naturally, and they'll reward you with a lifetime of brightness. The information provided in this video is intended for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian before starting any new diet or making significant changes to your eating habits, especially if you have underlying health conditions. Your health is your most significant asset, and it's crucial to make informed decisions under the guidance of professionals. Remember, there isn't a one-size-fits-all solution to health, and what works for one person may not work for another. Work with your healthcare provider to make the best decisions for your health. Therefore, use this information as a starting point. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, take action today for a healthier tomorrow. And in the meantime, keep an eye out for my next upcoming video. So until my next video, click on the playlist displayed for more informational and educational videos like this one. Thank you for watching. Stay healthy, stay happy, and keep learning. Until next time, keep smiling.